What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. Got a quick little highway POV today. These are just so easy to make because here in Florida you always got to be on the highway. But just want to give you guys a quick little update. So with the car, I'll probably insert a picture or something here just to show you guys. But the sides, the two side skirts on this kit, it's been scraped a lot by different stuff. Anytime I go to any place and there's a hill, it just scrapes really bad. So I guess they got scraped so bad that they just ended up bending. And now, as you guys know, metal only bends if you add like heat to it and stuff like that. So I've been trying to get it to bend and this thing just would not bend. Like, I don't know what they put in this, what type of metal they use, but it's really like hard. Like, it's really hard to bend it back. So now that it's all like, plus the paint's kind of messed up, so now I'm thinking of getting the two side skirts taken off, because at this point it just doesn't look right, you know. The paint on the right side is coming off a little bit, so it just doesn't look right. So I'm gonna try to go to the shop this weekend and I might film that process too, because they know I have a YouTube channel, so I might just film it. But yeah, the front lip and the diffuser is fine. The diffuser still scrapes, but it's not like messing up the car. Like it hasn't changed its appearance. It doesn't look different. So personally, I feel like it looks good. So we're just gonna take off the two side skirts because they're extremely low. This car, it's so funny. Like, this car, it's low, and it's like you don't realize how low it is until you put a kit on there, because the kit is damn near on the floor. So but yeah, I mean, the good thing is I got a good amount of use out of this. Like, I have been to so many car shows, I've been to just so many different things with the kit on, that it's like the kit's already served its purpose. The car looks amazing, so I don't have no problems. So yeah, I'll probably get it done Saturday. I thought about going Friday, but they close a little early. So Saturday, I'm gonna go there in the morning, get that taken care of, make sure the rest of the kit is still on there pretty tight, and then we'll be good to go. So, but yeah, that's the only update at the moment for the car. I don't really have any other plans. I've had a bunch of tire places, well, not tire places, but like tire companies reach out to me about rims and stuff. I don't know, I just never been that guy, like, to change out the rims from factory. Only because once you do that, then it's like you gotta go through a whole thing of like, once you're about to sell this car, now you gotta sell the rims, now you gotta, like, it's just a whole thing. That's why I just like getting the really nice rims that I want from factory, unless I know I'm gonna keep the car for a minute. So I don't know, but yeah, I had a bunch of companies reach out, and I'm just like, damn, like, what do I do? Because some of them look really good, but I also really like the stock wheels on this. Like, the stock wheels on this look amazing. You can ask anybody. And it's also got the C8R inside of like the little the thing in the middle. It looks good. So my thing is, why change something if it already looks good? You know, if it looks good already, what's the point of changing it? So I'm just gonna keep it as is, and honestly the car already looks good, so I'm probably just gonna keep the car as is. I'm not gonna, I thought about doing a wrap. A couple of shops hit me up about sponsoring the wrap, but then I started also diving deeper into that. Like, if you keep the wrap on for too long, oh my god, if you keep the wrap on for too long, you know, it can mess up your original paint. It's so much factors that you gotta factor in here, man. Why doesn't anybody ever drive? Like, everybody just like sitting here and just doing nothing. Like, everybody just likes to sit here. and then there's an opening right there, bro. Just go. Like, people here in Florida, I'm telling you, man, worst drivers. I don't care what anybody says. Florida has the absolute worst drivers. That's why insurance is so damn high here. Like, it's ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous, man. I can't tell if that car behind me is a cop, but the way he's driving and doing the speed limit, it might be a cop. Cause ain't nobody trying to pass him. So I need some air too, man.
Bachelor, we love to play. So come out when I move the drapes. Know my move when I grab your waist. When you fucking a man that's made. Hey, keep it low key, she ain't after fame. No, she ain't after fame. You like that old I used to be fucking. You don't have nothing to say. Don't care about no coffee, you wanna keep busting. Don't let me know when you came. I love you in so many ways. You know why you never complain. But you, I can never be shamed. And I usually never say never. Oh shit, look at me today. Live by, but I don't need no stage. Hey, club coat and you color glaze. This is, that ain't all we made. Wanna get tired of you. I'm in the bus and we're at the top and we got us an ocean view. I know I got it, I'm all in the body and nobody get a clue. We in the coupe pulling up with a private a G54 on the two. I really like it, I won't stay excited, don't wanna get tired of you.
Where's combo here? Where's combo?
Shopping. Pick out a car, you got too many options. Bubblegum baby, yeah, you got it poppin'. Blue what you do for the pilot. Kilo, I'm all in the mouth, fool, you second slap. You like the queen of the mouth. Soon as I come, she keep sucking on one of the stop it.
That's already outside too.
Thinking I'm breaking up, making them stroking. I see why they cause a commotion. Hitting and looking at views of the ocean. Her pussy wet as an ocean. Ocean of business, I'm buzzed by the way I'm approaching. I'm gonna one of you chosen. East to the west, we just really been coasting. Me and the baby in motion. Wanna get tired of you. I'm in the bus and we're way at the top, and we got us an ocean view. I know I got it, I'm all in the body, and nobody got a clue. Me in the coupe pulling up with a private at G5 on the two. I really like it, I wanna stay excited, don't wanna get tired of you.
Is that a Mustang behind me? Is it a convertible Mustang? Let's see. I don't know what type of car is that. Oh, that's a female driving that thing. God damn. She got her foot to the floor, man. When I seen her, I didn't know it was an older female in there, man. That girl's a driver, but she drive a little crazy though, I'm not gonna lie. She drive a little crazy.
Want more flexibility when you shop? With over 1,000 stores nationwide, you can get what you need.
I hate the ads though. These ads gotta go. These ads gotta go. A lot of the truck drivers down here be driving though. Don't worry, the ad is almost over, guys. It's almost over. SoundCloud better than Apple Music and Spotify, because when Spotify first came out, they didn't have a lot of the underground stuff. Like, for example, me, I like to listen to stuff where it's underground, like a lot of people haven't really heard it yet. Like, that's what I like to listen to. So when I first got Apple Music and they didn't have some of the artists that I usually play, I was like, bro, forget that. So now all I really use is SoundCloud. Because everything else, you can't get a lot of underground artists, and you can't get a lot of the tracks that you really want to hear. So I just like SoundCloud. I just deal with the ads.
Price. Got in the west of my chest, no one can be a hero, Muhammad eyes. Baby, pull up on my back. Grind. Want me to fuck up for rounds around. Girl, I know you want stuff on this dick, but won't say it, I don't gotta sound it out. Baby, touch me when he not around. Baby, let's fuck, he won't find it out. He thinks she outside. Baby, with me getting pounded out. She wanna suck and she get on her knee. He don't want me to fuck, but she begging me please. He do not know I be letting in. When they arguing, then he be letting the lead. She got caught up, he said never again. Somehow they ended together again. Baby, she be with you all through the day. At the end of the day, she be coming for me. Outside, he want me outside. She want me outside. We want me outside. He want me outside. She want me outside. We want me outside. She want me inside her guts. I count up that presidents. My money's high. Mount Rush used to be irrelevant. Now on her mind for months. I'm just inside her. I'm an outsider. Uncle call me a popular loner. Baby, you know what it be. I be all on her stinking bitches like they got corona. I don't know how to drive, need a chauffeur. Bitch, I don't have a heart, need a donor. Give you my heart get broke. Give you trust, my heart get cold. Baby, come and bend it over. Fuck all that shit and then pass me phone. Love the way you bend it over. Girl, I could give you some dick for some clothes. Hate they try to send it over, but I swear I'm so used to the shades. I can see it through Louis V frame. I'ma be great, it was destined. in that way. I'ma be great, it's destined. Yo, baby wanna be my best friend. Fuck that bitch up in the Western. Give me face cause she know I'm great. Always say I'm nothing less than. Going outside, I learned some lessons. Going outside, I took some loss. She wanna fuck, she know I'm a ball. She jerking my dick and she sucking my ball. Love and grind. Want me to fuck her for rounds around. Girl, I know you want something this dick, but won't say it, I don't gotta sound it out. Baby, test me when he not around. Baby, let's fuck, he won't find it out. He thinks she outside. Baby, with me getting pounded. She wanna suck, she get on her knee. Don't want me to fuck, but she begging me, please. He do not know I be letting in. When they arguing, then he be letting her leave. She got caught up, he said never again. Somehow they ended together again. Baby, she be with you all through the day. At the end of the day, she be coming for me. Outside, he want me outside. She want me outside. We want me outside. Outside, he want me outside. She want me outside. We want me outside. When she go out, I'm just gonna take her back, make it blow out. Nowadays I'm making families with bitches. My babe told me no entertaining these bitches. Told my girl no entertaining these niggas. She leaving with me, but she can't with a nigga. Then I asked her what's the reason she love me. She told me, boy, you not the same as these niggas. Baby, she know that I came from the streets. I see some things that'll change for niggas. I'd rather go let it be what it be. I say my talents get paid with a nigga. Come get your bitch from my place with a nigga. I know I'm not throwing no fade with you, nigga. You know what I mean? And with the disrespect, respectfully, that's what you get from now.
Alright guys, I'm getting off. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know what else you guys want to see in the comments down below. Give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.